Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2019 Toyota Corolla. This is the SE trim in the black sand pearl exterior, and it has the black interior. It's a 5-passenger, 4-door, small size sedan. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto up and down on the driver's side, power locks. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. Power adjustable mirrors, windshield wiper deicer. The steering wheel is leather wrapped and it's tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel Bluetooth and audio controls. It has Toyota Safety Sense. So there's a pre-collision system, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control. Also has auto high beams. And this is for your 4.2-inch multi-information display screen. So it's your fuel economy, range left on the gas tank, eco indicator. It also has sway warning, so this will tell you if a coffee cup appears, that means you've been swaying and you've been driving for a long time, so you need to rest. There's any messages like an oil change. This is the settings and the sensitivity for the pre-collision system and the lane departure alert. It's a 6.1-inch touchscreen display with a 6-speaker audio system, and this is where your backup camera is. Has AM, FM radio. It's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible. Also has a CD player. There's a digital clock for 4-way flashers. It's auto climate control. Has rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors. So your temperature, fan speed, your different modes, air conditioning. Below the dash is 12-volt accessory outlet, high and low settings for heated front seats, USB and auxiliary ports. CVT transmission with manual mode, and there's paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Traction control, sport mode, that enhances the acceleration. You have a tray on top of your glove box. Rearview mirror and your interior light. 16-inch steel wheels with wheel covers. It's keyless entry. Has a combined fuel economy rating of 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Has a chrome exhaust tip. There's a trunk release on the key fob. You get 2 sets of mats, one for the summer and one for the winter. And the back seat has a 60-40 split. Has power windows. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Corolla. Anchor points for the child car seats. They get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable and heated with the signal integrated lamps. Has an auto LED headlight system. This is the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine with 132 horsepower and 128 pounds of torque. Come see this beautiful 2019 Toyota Corolla SE at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.